You're going to learn how I begin a mat Pilates workout by finding neutral spine. That means the spine is in proper alignment and curvature. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. I'll go through a head-to-toe checklist to find my neutral spine starting point. Feet are contacting the mat and in line with the knees, which are about hip-width apart and at 90 degrees. Take a small scoot forward, grab the back of the legs for support, and roll on down to the back. Take the palm of the hand, put it on the hip bone, the fingertips on the pubic bone. Find those two bony landmarks, and we want those two landmarks to be in the same horizontal plane so we can rock back and forth in and out of posterior and anterior pelvic tilt, feeling the hip bone and pubic bone rise and come to a settling point where they're on the same horizontal plane, allowing for the natural curve in the lower back, meaning my lower back is not imprinted into the mat. And get those arms down on the side and squidge the shoulders up to the ears and then press them back down. And again, shoulders come up to the ears, and as they press back down, feel those muscles underneath the armpit, keeping the shoulders down, keeping them lightly pressed against the mat without the ribs flaring up to the ceiling. And up to the head, let it roll over to the right and roll over to the left. And again, releasing any tension in the neck and allow it to stop with the nose pointed straight up to the ceiling. Now lift the chin up and bring it down to the chest. Again, chin up, then bring it down to the chest and allow it to rest right on the back of the head with the neck nice and long. Now let's bring the hands, one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest. With an inhale, feel the belly rise and the chest lift. And exhale, squeeze that air out. Squeeze it out, imagine blowing up a balloon, trying to get all the air out of your belly. And again, with a nice big inhale. And again, exhale, squeeze the air out, blowing up the balloon. And keep the core nice and tight. Keep that belly tight now. On this next inhale, belly stays tight, like I'm gonna come step right on your belly. Move that belly hand over to your ribs. On this inhale, instead of filling the chest and the belly with air, imagine the ribs expanding out to the side. The chest and belly do not lift. This will be a little more shallow of an inhale than with our big chest and belly breaths. The core stays tight. Let's go with a few of those. Imagine these side ribs expanding out and even the back side of the ribs while keeping that core tight and not letting the belly or chest rise. And last one. Now let's bring the arms down to the side. And now we're ready to assess core strength and prep for challenging movement with this video, which goes through the neutral series. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. Rewind this video, catch all the points, and then let's go through the neutral series to begin the workout. I'll see you there.